think you've arrived.
Nobody is keeping quiet. Everybody is talking.
Are you mad? Who are you? Are you stupid? Don't let me. Why are you crying? I'm not touching you. Don't touch me. Why are you crying?
You're back to your normal pee. How much do you want to eat?
Fire! Bring the fire. Let me bring stuff. Bring the fire. High five.
Trust me. I was not going to dance with her. She had around.
You. I was not referring to you.
You are being unreasonable.
Really?
Ask Chomzy then. She boiled you out. If it's not you, why did you? I didn't ask her entry there. Who was better to ask Chomzy and the squad? Who boiled you out?
That was the time of the play.
Both of them. I passed both of you. What are you saying? We don't talk about this.
Say you go. I beg.
Go and catch cruise with your father, not me. Go and catch cruise with your father.
Whatever your life involves
Go and catch cruise with your father. Go and catch with your siblings, not me. I'm not the one. Go and catch cruise with your father, not me. In your life. Stupid ass. Catch cruise with your father. I said it again.
Do you know what's so crazy?
That's what you should have done. You should have been man enough to drop that food. Let somebody else eat it. Or let me eat it. Then you can throw insults at me. Then I will take it. Not that you eat the food that I made. That I stood there walking my entire body out. To make that and you're opening your mouth to insult me. You are eating a curse.
Where the f*** do I know?
Eat. Let somebody rest, please. I beg. Bella.
I'm telling you, if I have opinion, I will say it. Don't shout. If I have opinion, I'm allowed to say it. I said we are not that far at the front before.
No right.
I have.
You don't come to the lounge now, eh?
You are very stupid. End of house, my ass. You are pains now. End of house, your ass. You must be. This girl, you must be mad. And I don't even have time to be exchanging nonsense. This number big brother rule now, but don't break all this your legs. First, down from the street. Bro, I am from the street. I am from the street. Very stupid. Very, very stupid. Don't try that.
Bella, make up yourself.
What finish it go? Who the f*** Chomzy? Do you think Mountains to go for Chomzy? I wouldn't go for Chomzy. Do you know how many? Do you think?
Did you call me insecure?
Why are you insecure?
Why are you insecure right now?
Yes, you are insecure. Why the fuck you call? Why are you insecure? Why the f*** are you insecure? Why are you insecure?
You guys were willing to take the strength that we have here into consideration, which is exactly what's happening here again. Because you lot, like I've been saying since, are fake. None of y'all talk about that you want to do it. You don't want to do anything to get it. So you don't actually want it, in my opinion. You lot are not mature. He said it. Accept your fucking flaws. That's the only way you get better. If you cannot take feedback, you're not going anywhere.
Yes.
I'm not going to like that kicks me. I just want to speak up about it.
Shut up. You are a very emotional little boy.
I'm not disagreeing with you. I'm not raising your voice. I'm not disagreeing with you. I'm not disagreeing with you.
When I was arguing with her outside, she said, just to be private, I don't tell you that. I was learning from you and then you fucking said, it's
okay. Now do you want to get the disqualification? It's okay.
You are a f***ing fool. You are a big ass fool. You are a big ass fool.
Don't tell me that. You are in the 10th suite. You are still overreacting. You are in the 10th suite. You are still overreacting. But you are telling me how to I said you are overreacting. I said to my food chest, Rachel, you just overreacted.
I beg. I've been cleaning this place for 6 weeks. I clean after every single one of you's deaths. There's no way you cannot tell me that none of you have contributed to the death of this kitchen. I clean this place for 6 weeks. Someone's coming here to chat shit to me. Please, I beg.
I think that's to clean this table. Don't tell me that.
Nobody is to clean this table. When I'm going to clean this table, I work out for this.
There is no reason. I'm sure that you're actually sure.
I don't understand. This is 7-Eleven.